Hey there virtual pilots, today we are taking a look at Next Level Racing's officially licensed Boeing Simpit. Now Next Level Racing did send me this product for a review, but all of my thoughts will be my own. I've not been paid to do this review. Now this product consists of an all steel frame. It was not the easiest to assemble. It's harder than your average piece of IKEA furniture, certainly, but once it is assembled, the thing is very solid indeed. It allows the mounting of yokes, flight sticks, your Hotos, your pedals, and it features the characteristically fluffy Boeing flight chair. Now this is available both as a military variant and a commercial variant, the difference being the colouring. This commercial variant comes with a blue harness, which I didn't particularly bother using as I intend to stay on the ground. The chair slider and mechanism is nice and smooth, and the chair is comfortable enough, but it felt to me like it lacked a bit of padding. It functions overall, this piece of kit, very, very well as a fighter sim setup. The Hotos positioning is excellent, it's exactly where you need it to be, and the cutout in the seat is ideal for the positioning of your flight stick. However, when using a yoke, I found this holder a little bit more on the flimsy side. It does include an extra mounting bracket to give it some rigidity, but I still found it quite flimsy, and the use of honeycomb peripherals kind of seem to have been a bit of an afterthought. They don't fit well either on the yoke bracket or on one of the side brackets for the Bravo throttle quadrant. In fact, I found the location of the Bravo throttle quadrant really to not be very suitable at all. I found my arm in a very awkward and uncomfortable position. It was sort of usable for commercial airliners, but was completely unusable for GA aircraft. My arm was just too far back. I found the gear up lever too low. However, there are plenty of mounting holes on this thing. It includes a nice variety of mounting plates, including additional plates for attaching things like keyboards, which is nice to see. As I say, it really wasn't the easiest thing to put together. They include some tools in there, but you probably need a reasonable toolkit of your own, and if you're not used to putting things like this together, you might find it a bit of a challenge. This thing retails at 699 UK sterling, a little more than other Simpits, but it is much better built in my opinion. Now if you're planning to build yourself a fighter-based Simpit using something like a Hotos, if you're flying in DCS or you're doing military jets exclusively in Microsoft Flight Simulator, I think this is a really excellent choice, and I think you'll be really delighted with this kit. If you're more into your general aviation aircraft, and particularly if you have the honeycomb peripherals, I personally would give this one a pass, but a nice product overall. We're going to give this 3 out of 5 stars. So there we go, folks. As always, I hope you're very well wherever in the world you are. Stay safe in the skies, and I will see you in my next one.